have grown so strong. I'm scared to feel the pain. It can never be the same. I love you. I've waited for so long. I've tried to tell you, baby, as we sat alone at home. I hear these raindrops falling, they echo through my brain. My pride is slowly breaking down. My heart is on the ground. Out in the rain. The rain. In the rain. In the rain. So long. In the rain. Feeling so strong. In the rain. Been friends so long. Feeling so strong. It was getting late that night. I was afraid to let you go. I wanted to tell you, baby, that I love you so. Then came time for you to leave. I felt so lonely. How could that be? I love you. I waited for so long. I tried to tell you, baby, when I sat alone at home. I hear those raindrops, they echo through my brain. My pride is slowly breaking down. My heart is on the ground. Out in the rain. My heart is in the rain. So long. Feeling so strong. Girl, the reason I called you over was just because I wanted to talk to you and tell you that I don't understand why we're ending our relationship this way. Because you know, two people who really and truly love each other as much as we say we do should be able to work out any problem. Don't you know that I love you? Let's work it out.